Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to download Python latest version from internet. After this, I am explain how to install Python latest version in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. First, we need to download this file. So you can use Chrome browser for downloading this file. You can use any browser for downloading this file. Now search for type Python download. After that searching, several websites will be open. Now click on the first website www.python.org. After clicking, this page will be open. Now you can see here the Python latest version will be show here Python 3.11.0. Now simply click on the download button to download this file. So I am click on it. You can see here our download will be started. We have already downloaded this file. So cancel this file and go to our download folder. See the installation process of Python latest version. After download will be completed, this file will be show your download folder. Now simply click on this file and double click on it and install this Python latest version. After running this setup, this page will be open. Now first we need to click on the add python.exe to path and check this box. After check this box, click on the install now button to install this file. Accept all term and condition and wait some time for downloading our Python latest version. Our installation will be started. Now wait some few seconds. So our installation will be completed. You can see here setup was successful. Simple click on the close button to close this file. So our installation will be completed. Now Windows search what? Search Python. After searching, you can see here Python will be installed successfully. Now open Python IDE, free IDE, Python IDE LE. So click on it. Python IDE LE will be open. You can see here Python terminal will be open. Python terminal work as a calculator. So you can see here Python work successfully. If you want to print anything in Python, so use print function and bracket you can type hello. Press enter. After pressing enter, you can see print hello will be successfully print the hello word. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.